Creating a QuickBooks Online subscription. QuickBooks Online is a powerful accounting solution that we're confident will be suitable for a number of your clients. In this section, we're going to take a look at how you create a new QuickBooks Online subscription for a client. To set up a QuickBooks Online subscription for a client, you do that by clicking on the Add Client button at the top right of the screen. Now, Natasha is going to set up the subscription for their client, Damien Chow, and his business, Zippy Electrical and Data Services. So let's go through that with her. As you can see, she's got the choice of business or individual. Natasha's just going to add in the basic details at this stage for Damien and his business. Natasha has the option of adding more information, but she'll just add that when we're setting up the company settings. The team access, Natasha has team access at all times, so she's the primary admin of her firm. Click on Show All Team Members, and she has the option of choosing any one of her team members. And in this case, it's going to be Carol Kingston that heads up the bookkeeping. So we'll choose Carol. As we scroll down, you can see you've got the selection of subscription or the choice of no subscription for your customer, if you need to add them into your QBOA dashboard with no subscription. Let's choose subscription for Damien. And as you can see, you've got the choice of the Plus version, Essentials version, and Simple Start. If you're not quite sure what version that you need for your client, take a look at the pricing and planning, which is under the intuit.com.au. Just click under pricing and you'll be able to find each version and each different feature that you may need for your client. As you can see, we needed inventory and we'll also need projects and locations and managing budgets. Let's go back to our entering a new subscription. So we have decided to choose the Plus version. Now, please note the pricing is at the 18th of January 2023. The pricing for the wholesale discount is 50% of the recommended retail price. This is for the life of the file. If you choose direct discount, please note that the pricing is different and that the client, let's just say that they've chosen the Plus version, it is $35 a month for the first 12 months. Then thereafter, it will go to $50 a month. Just caution there what you want to choose for your client. Now, in this case, Natasha's happy to choose wholesale discount as her firm will be paying the subscription monthly. She chooses the Plus version. Now, under the section of who the primary admin will be, if you take a read of this is the person that has the authority to make decisions about the data in this account. That person is also the person who can delete all of the company data from QuickBooks. So please do take note of the primary admin selection. And in this particular case, yes, Natasha wants to be the primary admin. If we take a look at the payment method, you can see that this particular MasterCard has been added, and Natasha added that when she set up her wholesale billing account. If she wants to, she can choose Change, and she can look at Add New. And this is where she has the option of choosing a direct debit or PayPal as well. But she's quite happy to keep the payment method, and she'll click Save. And we have now created our brand new account called Zippy Electrical and Data Services. Great. So now you know how to create a QuickBooks Online subscription for your clients. And you've seen Natasha add the subscription to her wholesale billing as she prefers as a firm to take control of all her clients' subscriptions. In the next section, we're going to look at the different user types available in QuickBooks Online. This is really important for clients that have set up QuickBooks Online themselves and want to invite you in as their accounting professional.